As Japan reels from its worst earthquake in recorded history, new pictures emerge of the tsunami that slammed into the eastern seaboard. National broadcaster NHK captured the moment the waves hit the city of Kamaishi. Terrified residents rushed to the safety of higher ground and watched. The power of water unleashed and made all too clear. Across the east coast, it was a similar scene of devastation. This amateur video showed houses being crushed like tin cans. Communities have begun the long and painful process of rebuilding their lives. Rescue teams are searching for the missing along hundreds of kilometres of coast. They're combing through towns and villages that have been reduced to splinters.
Is it a dream? I just feel like I'm in a movie or something. Whenever I'm alone, I have to pinch my cheek to check whether it's a dream or not.
Infrastructure such as the airport in Sendai City remain disabled, making it hard to get aid to those who need it most. Some emergency supplies are being moved to the worst-hit areas. The US military is using its large airbase in Okinawa to get food and medical supplies to victims. But this Japanese Air Force base in Miyagi Prefecture was not spared. Thousands of people have been moved to temporary shelters, while relatives searched for missing loved ones.
My son might have been engulfed by the tsunami. I hope he is taking shelter somewhere. I'm struggling to locate him.
Azhar Sukri, Al Jazeera.